Hello, it's Mary Bush with Stampin' in the Sand. Thank you for stopping by today. Today is May 20th, 2021, and I'm just stopping in to let you know about some promotions that have been running all month. But I get a lot of questions regarding some of these promotions, and I thought, you know what, maybe a picture is worth 1,000 words. So instead of just sending text messages back or detailed emails, I thought, you know what, let's just do a visual presentation. And that way everyone will have all of the information and pictures to go along with what I've been sending out in verbiage. All right, so let's get started. So the first promotion I have going this month is my free Color and Contours step-by-step PDF tutorial. It's free with a purchase of $35 or more in my online store. However, you do need to use my May host code so that I know that you're looking to get this free tutorial. The tutorial automatically gets sent out to you when I see your order come through using the host code, so you don't have to request it. The only reason you would have to contact me is if you want it sent to a different email than the email address you used when you placed your online order and created your account. So if you're okay having me send the tutorial to that email, fine. You don't have to contact me. You don't have to do anything. I'll automatically send it to you. Just send me an email if you want the PDF sent to a different email address, okay? So the Color and Contours 4-card tutorial creates 4 gorgeous cards. It features, obviously, the Color and Contours bundle, which debuted in our new annual catalog. So that's the 2021-2022 annual catalog. If you have a catalog, you will see it featured on page 98. And it includes the Color and Contour stamp set and the Scalloped Contours dies. I'm sure you've seen lots of samples. Unless you're new to Stampin' Up, you've seen lots of samples using this bundle. So this is the Color and Contours stamp set. We have a lot of mixed greeting messages, some beautiful florals, and some leaves. It is a 2-step stamping set, meaning there's a sketched outline that stamps, and then you can use a filler stamp to add your color. It also lends really well to using your Stampin' blends. It is a photopolymer stamp as well, and new for Stampin' Up with this catalog. If you don't wish to keep your stamps in the original plastic packaging that they've been coming on, you can actually remove them from the sheets and cling them onto the back of your stamp case over the coordinating images and store them that way. So don't be caught off guard if this is new to you. It's just something new that Stampin' Up came out with this catalog. So that's the Color and Contour stamp set. The coordinating dies, you can cut out the 2 floral images with a coordinating die. There's also a large scalloped rectangle that has some really nice stitching. And then we have the 5 layering, I guess they're scalloped. They're all scalloped rectangles, but they also each have a unique stitching or extra added detail to them. So each one is slightly different, but you can also layer them together and nest them on your project. So this is a fabulous die set just for those alone. As I said, it's available on page 98 of the annual catalog. It retails for $50.25, so that would automatically qualify you for the free tutorial just for purchasing the bundle that you need to create the projects. So, in addition, if your order, including the host code, reaches $75 or more, I'm also going to send you the supplies that you need to make the project. So that would be a make and take card kit. It will have all of the pre-cut, pre-scored, and pre-die cut layers that you need for creating your cards. And all you will need to do to complete your projects is do the stamping. So to complete all of the projects, you definitely will need to have that bundle or another floral image stamp set or greeting stamp set that you can easily swap out the images for, and just use the tutorial as a kind of a recipe guide or a sketch to create the projects. Now the projects do use and feature the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. So if your order is $75 or more, you're going to get all of the pre-cut pattern paper that you're going to need for your 4 projects. But if you want to make more projects beyond the tutorial, or if your order is only going to be a $35 order and you want to be able to recreate the projects, you might want to pick up the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. That's also available in my online store. So it features all of these beautiful pansies, but on the back of your floral images, there's also some basic background papers, I guess I would call them, more of neutrals. So we have our checks and in different colors, just some general neutral backgrounds. I love the way Stampin' Up! Always provides kind of a neutral pattern on the back of some of their busier prints. So that's the Pansy Petals. And all of your pre-cut, pre-die cut pieces and your card bases and envelopes will be automatically sent to you again if your order is $75 or more and you have used May's host code to earn those products. Again, $35 order using the host code and you will receive just the PDF. It is 9 pages with step-by-step full color instructions, as well as the recipe list for all the products that you need to create the projects. All right, so that is that offer. We also have a special promotion for the month of May, and it's called Join Plus. I taped this down to make sure it stayed within the screen. It's called our Join Plus offer. So this has been available all month. And what it is a starter kit offer. So if your wish list is $99 or more, and I don't know anyone who has a wish list from the new annual catalog that's under $99, then you may want to consider purchasing a starter kit. Now I know a lot of you groan and you go, no, I don't want to be a demonstrator. I don't want to host YouTube videos. I don't want to have a Facebook page. I don't want to do classes. I just want to shop and craft. That's all I want to do. Well, you know what? You can still do it. You can still join my Sand Dollar Stampers team and only order for yourself. And you know what? You're going to get a discount. So why should any stamper pay full price when they don't have to? So all this is our Join Plus offer. So you can visit my stampinginthesand.stampinup.net website, go to the Join Now tab and read all about the no obligation offer. And by no obligation, this is not an infomercial. I mean, I guess it kind of is an infomercial, but I'm not selling you something that's going to suck you down a rabbit hole, okay? It's really a no-brainer offer. So you can choose $155 in product. So for example, you could get your Color and Contours bundle and your Pansies Designer Series paper in your starter kit and a whole bunch more stuff, because there's no way that comes to $155. You can choose $155 worth of paper crafting supplies from any current catalog. So that's our annual catalog as well as our spring mini that is still open, and pay only $99 and it ships for free. So that's worth $15.50 right there, the free shipping. So pick $155 worth of stuff, pay only $99, don't pay any shipping on it, and that's all you have to do. Yes, they're going to send you a business supplies kit in case you do want to invite your friends and family to craft with you and see if they want to order through you and learn stamping from you. but you don't have to use it. You don't have to have a business. You can simply shop with a discount, with your demonstrator discount, which is 20% from day one, and never do another thing. And if it ends up not working out for you and you don't want your discount anymore, you know what you do? You drop. And you know what they do? Nothing. They're not going to come take your stuff back. They're not going to tell you, you didn't stick around, you didn't build a business, we want it all back, or you're paying us back all that discount that you've earned. No. You just drop off and you go back to being a full price paying customer. It's a no-brainer, seriously. But this is only good through the end of May. Okay, deep breath, Mary. I get a little excited about this stuff because I've been enjoying my discount for almost 9 years. And I'll tell you, I'll never pay full price again. I'll never drop because I want that discount. So if you're interested in learning more about this, you can go to stampininthesand.stampinup.net, Join Now tab, or just click the link that I've already posted in the description below and get more information. If you want even more information or you have questions, you can email me at stampwithmarybush@yahoo.com or call me. All right. All of my contact information is on my website. And I guess that's all that I have to say about that because there's nothing more to say. $155, pay only $99, ships for free, which is worth $15.50. No obligations, nothing you have to do after that. You don't want any more discounts? You don't ever have to order from yourself again. You can just pay full price. Take your $56 in free stuff and run. No obligations, no worries, no nada. And I'd love to have you on my team. My team members also receive these tutorials for free. There's 2 a month minimum. And you'll get the free tutorial when you join. So you can be sure to add some of this stuff to your starter kit. And then you'll be able to make all of these cards the day you get your starter kit in. How fun would that be? All right, so I guess that's it for now. So we have covered the free tutorial with $35 order. We have discussed the free tutorial plus the make and take packet for making each of the 4 cards with a $75 order. You do have to use the host code on those, don't forget. And if you join my Sand Dollar Stampers team, you're automatically going to get the tutorial free anyway because it's a perk of being a part of my team. And you're going to get $56 worth of stuff and pay only $99, and it's going to ship for free. So the only thing over and above that $99 is going to be your state and local taxes. So $99 plus tax. That's all you're going to pay for $155 worth of stuff. So that's $56 free. All right. Any more information that you need, please don't hesitate to drop me a note. Contact me privately. You don't have to you can post your questions here on the video if you wish to, but it's generally easier to catch me if you reach out to me privately. All right. Thanks a lot. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. It's a beautiful day, and it's a beautiful day to get $56 free. If not, it's a beautiful day to make some beautiful cards. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'm here for you if you have questions. Happy stamping. Bye.